Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the opening manageable. Press the air out toward the top so the bag sits flat in your hand. Once done, fold down a clean 0. 5 1-inch cuff to create a flat, stiff edge you want structure to work with. Make sure to align both sides of the opening and smooth any wrinkles, because a neat edge forms the foundation for every closing method that follows. This first fold reduces leaks and prepares you for a tight, controlled seal. You continue by rolling the cuff tightly twice toward the contents, forming a narrow roll that resists unrolling. As you roll, pinch along the seam with your thumb and forefinger to squeeze out trapped air. Doing this improves adhesion and prevents bulging. Once rolled, press the final edge flat against the bag to lock it in place. If there's a short tail, twist it and tuck under the roll. These steps transform a simple fold into a mechanically strong seal. You finish by adding a physical fastener, clip, twist tie, or a short piece of tape over the roll to hold it under tension. This prevents slow unrolling. If the bag material is slick or greasy, make a second roll and use a folding clamp or clothespin for grip because friction matters. And if you still see leaks, transfer the contents to a sealed container or a resealable bag immediately. If that happens, check your original bag's integrity. That's often the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.